here to the left, I guess. Yeah, that sounds about right. Oh shit. What is going on, my YouTube community? Love that. So today I'm asking for y'all's advice again. I need to figure out, do I upgrade or do I upgrade? So recently, water. I don't go fast through water, especially when it's cold out. Not a good idea. So recently, this company, well, a buddy of mine from work notified me that this company called Hammer Performance has put their 1250 conversion kit on sale. That's one hell of a deal, I think, especially for what they're selling it for. I think it's $4.99. But then of course you got to get a couple extra things to be able to turn your 883 into a 1250, which will technically push out more power and have more performance than the stock 1200. So I'm trying to decide, do I want to put that money into Harley and upgrade that way, or do I want to consider upgrading to a different bike? Tough decision. But here's kind of where I am right now. So I got Harley for a steal. I got her for $2,000, which you're not getting a Harley Sportster that's fuel injected with roughly 3,000 miles on it for $2,000 nowhere. So I feel like I got a deal there. But then I've done quite a few upgrades to Harley, and I love the way she's set up right now. Okay, so I've got the bars. I think the bars cost me about $400, somewhere around there, $4 something. I got my Monster Sucker air filter from Harley-Davidson. That was about $150 or so. I got that for. I got my Vance and Hines mini grenades. I think I paid roughly, what did I pay for those? I don't know, somewhere in the threes, the high to mid threes. I put on a Saddleman Americano seat, and I got that for about the low twos or high hundreds. I don't remember. I can't think. So in result, I put quite a bit of money into Harley so far. So I feel like upgrading to the 1250 is going to give me a little bit more performance, but I mean, I'll still be on my Sportster. So the biggest thing is if I plan on keeping the Sportster long term, which I know in plenty of videos I said I plan on keeping her to the end of time, because there's no telling if they're ever going to discontinue the Sportster, and I want a piece of that history. So do I really want to do the upgrade, bite the bullet, and put a little bit more money into her, when right now she lets out plenty of performance for me anyway? But with that 1250, I'll be back to kind of the performance, not exactly all the way to the type of performance, but near the performance I was used to from a very, very torquey, quick bike, which this one's torquey and quick too. Let me show you real quick.
America. This is America.
I mean, she has some serious power. So, do I really want to do the upgrade? What do you guys think? I think I'm going to do it, honestly. I really think I am, but you never know. I changed my mind. I guess it depends on how Christmas goes, if I decide to go ahead and upgrade her. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do it. Yep. Let me know what you think down below. This is a super short moto vlog. It's kind of chilly. I just wanted to get out and ride. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do that upgrade. And if anybody else has done that upgrade before, definitely let me know. I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on it. If you think it's a good upgrade to do or whatnot. But it's your boy Infinit Ryda signing out. Y'all make sure y'all stay blessed, be blessed, and get out there on two wheels, people. Deuces. Oh, that sun's bright in the moon. Hey, neighbor.